Hey, we've got a beautiful home to show you today.
Yes, it's one of our new listings.
This is right here in Gulf Shores.
So come check it out with us.
So we're going to go in and check this house out. This is right here in Gulf Shores, right on the golf course. You will not believe the price. You'll have to wait around till the end to see what we have for you. But this house is coming fully furnished. So Miss Tasha's going to show us around a little bit.
All right, yeah, let's look at this house.
This house is going to come furnished. Nice tall ceilings.
Yeah, really tall ceilings.
Nice new television.
And a fireplace.
Yeah. Carpets look good. So what do we have going on in here?
I love the dining area and the kitchen with the bar.
Yeah.
It's cozy.
Yeah. Nice cabinetry.
And stainless steel appliances and a nice pantry here.
Yeah. This would work for a vacation home or a primary.
Yes.
Right there's the golf course it backs up to.
It's nice and beachy.
Yeah, and then you've got this overhang out here on the back patio area. So imagine just sitting out there having your sweet tea and watching them play golf. You will not believe the price on this home. You'll have to wait around just a little bit longer to review it.
I guess explore down this way.
Yeah, let's take a look down here. Nice shaded area.
Here's the restroom. This home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So there's bathroom number 1.
Just peek in here. Nice. Shower surround. Look at that. One piece. That'd make it nice and easy to clean. Let's find Miss Tasha. Find out what she's like there.
I'm in bedroom number 1.
Okay. Well, this one's ready for you to put however you want to put in here.
Yes. And then all of the bedrooms already have the brand new TVs already mounted.
Very nice. I think this is a nice reach-in closet here. We'll take a look. Hey, that's not too shabby. That works. Here she is.
There's a linen closet here.
Nice sized linen closet. Well, this bedroom is nice and calming.
Yes. Bedroom number 2.
Yep.
That's a good sized closet too.
Oh, yeah. Have a carbon copy of the other one. Television. Yeah. This is right in the heart of Gulf Shores. So you're really close to the beach. You're, what is it, like 3 miles to the beach?
3.5 miles to the beach.
Very nice.
And then this is nice. The laundry room, bedroom, right off the garage.
Yeah, it comes with the washer and dryer. That's nice.
It's ready to go.
It's ready to go. You just bring your toothbrush and your and your swimming trunks and your beach towel.
I guess bring some kids too.
Yeah, some kids would love it. Yeah.
And so this is bedroom number 3.
Yeah. Television. And what you see is what you get.
And then we save the best for last.
The best for last. Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Bedroom number 4 is the primary.
Nice view out the back of the golf course.
Huge. Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah, that's a beautiful view of the golf course.
Nice television. Yeah, that's pretty nice.
And then the
Soaking
ensuite.
tub?
Yeah, nice soaking tub and a separate shower.
Yeah. Block wall, let in some light, still give you some privacy.
And then the vanity. And
Yeah, the vanity's got
water
plenty of room
closet.
for stuff. It does. It's yeah, that works. And then for doing your business, you can close the door.
Okay, this is nice. This is the walk-in closet. It's pretty big.
That is big. Wow. Well, let us know what you think in the comments below, or shoot us a text or an email.
Yeah, it's Gulf Shore School District, close to the beach, moving right
Oh, the
home.
price. We've been holding out on the price. Tell them what the price is.
Okay, well, they just lowered the price, so it's $417.9
In Gulf Shores.
in Gulf Shores.
On the golf course.
Yes.
Near the beach.
Mm-hmm.
Man, can you believe that you get it all that for that price?
Yeah,
Wow.
with the furnishings too.
Yep, it's ready to go.
So do you want to look at the golf course? Okay. Let's look at this outdoor space.
Wow, it's big enough you could drop a pool in, isn't it? Nice and private. Nice wooded area next to the house there from that neighbor. You can put you a little privacy fence in here. You want to keep the doggy in. Oh, and the best thing, I forgot to tell you, there's no HOA on this home.
Oh, how did we forget?
Yeah, isn't that something?
Yes.
You can have your boat. You can have your stuff. There's that picture perfect golf course.
That's a beautiful golf course. They take very good care of it. They're out mowing and manicuring it every morning.
So get a hold of Tasha or myself, and we'll be happy to visit with you about this home or any other home.
Yes, we are Phillip and Tasha Smith. We're your Gulf Coast realtors, and we'd love to represent you as your buyer's agent and help you move down to the coast.
Yep, we did it and you can too.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.